Okay, so I started the oil, got it hot and nice, about 350 degrees, and I dropped my first falafel in there. Believe it or not, they make some sort of a tool that it's like a mold that you put the mixture in it, uh, and then you drop it in the hot oil. You probably, if you look at other YouTube from the Middle East, you probably see them doing that. But I don't have that tool, so I just have a spoon. I'll just take a spoon of falafel mix and just pack it, and then just drop it in the hot oil. Just take another spoon and just form it like in a shape of almost like a hush puppy, if you will, but a little bit flat. And I just form it and just put the spoon under it and just drop it. This is the first one I dropped, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it. It smells awesome in here. My my oil was I turned it when I first turned it on. It was on high. Now it's like between 7 and 6. That's the dial on my electric stove, and I'm thinking this is what, about 350. I do have a thermometer. I think I can check the oil. I might do this here a little bit. Just to check. Yeah, that's alright. Just once you start seeing there is a brown edge around it, and then you can see that the top it start turning color, and it's time to turn it. And I would just say let it cook, I don't know, about 5 minutes, like 2.5 minutes or 3 minutes on each side, and it should be done. Oops. You can find this tool that I'm talking about, like a mold, probably in some of the Middle Eastern shops. They would sell it, and you would just take the mixture, you would pack it in, and you would push it out, and it would, usually comes, it's a little bit handier than using a spoon. But if you can't find it, it's okay, you can still. So this first one, it looks like it's done. So it's gonna look brown like this. The green color is the signature of the Dell. It gives it the green color. Almost done. And you can stuff these falafel if you ever heard of stuffed falafel, and they're also awesome. You basically take this mixture and you form a void. You just, let me just show you. You just make a hole and put inside the hole, you would put pine nuts and fried onions, and you close it and you form, you just basically bury it inside and fry it. What is the baking powder does, it just makes it puff a little more instead of being flat. So that's the end of it. The last one. And there's the falafel. Looks good. I bet it tastes good. Very good. It's green from the inside and crunchy and brown from the outside. This is a good temperature, is not burning. Sometimes if it's too high, you would burn the outside and it's not done from the inside. So I have it between 7 and 6 on that dial. Yum, yum, yum.